As we usher in the new year, won't you want to do it in style with some amazing furniture pieces from Virgo Male Furniture? From pedestals, headboards, and beautiful, stunning coffee tables. This is a new business, so it works on a cash on delivery basis. So that no nama trust issue. You order, they deliver, then you pay when your order comes. For now, they've got headboard, coffee table, side pedestal, ufuna ntoni na, they've got you covered. Let us support management and they bring in 2026 in style. I will leave all their details in the description box down below. They also have a new TikTok page and they are working on an online store so that must order they make things easy. Mara ngithi basesebasha. So now you can get them on WhatsApp. Their catalog is amazing. It is stunning. Let's get into the video. Ngiyanamukela kwinkqubo yami bomtaba kadad, bomtaba kagogo, bomtaba ka-aunty, bomtaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. Guys, I think this is my last video for 2025. I mean push it. No, mean push it. Like, don't even lie. Today, sikhuluma ngama-crook, ngemikhufefe, ngemigulukudu, some under the jail. This one definitely needs to be under the jail. The most idiotic content creator who happens to be a full-time robber and a phone snatcher. His face has made it all over social media, from Twitter to TikTok to Facebook to Twitter. He is plastered all over. Unobet had an unfortunate incident of stealing a phone on the wrong day and he was captured by cameras and he is everywhere. Take a look at this.
Hey, sabafikile abo Mr. and Mrs. Sabafikile. Askisi. Yeah! Yeah! Hayibo! It's telephone. Mina ngithi uyagijima uyangena. Uphamlile ne? Yeah, ngisho ukuthi uyangena mina ngiyambona nakakulandela. Now scream I thought just because useduze. No, yena, they came different.
No, Marutila drop a mood.
But drop somebody.
So, Emma Bill, the driver has on that phone.
No, it's not the driver, it's the passenger.
The passenger.
Yeah. No, it's raining.
The nerve, the audacity, the gall to steal. Guys, I cannot stand umuntu otshontshela omunye umuntu, especially if it's like your hard-earned money and then someone comes and takes it from you and then they go out, have fun, drink. Imali yabantu. Oh, guys, crime. You deserve to be under the jail. We don't even need to discuss anything. No bail, no nothing. You need to be under the jail. If you work at work, please. Bosh. So, guys, this is Unobet. Please, if you know him, tell him that we already know him. Not South Africa. We already know him. He's busy on TikTok. We are poster. So these are all the footages. This is all the footage about his crimes that was gathered and him, Jay. So I was really like, the girl. Yes, guys, une girl. Like une audacity. Ndishuk. Now let us talk about. Oh my God, pray for me, guys, pray for me. We are talking about an update on AKA and Tibbs' case. We have more information on the mastermind and how he was caught. So we are talking about that. So here we go. AKA and Tibbs murder accused. Umziwe Themba Kwabeni, accused number 4. What was his role? He was the coordinator, the spotter, and the paymaster. He also supplied the vehicle. He received the payment in his alleged involvement. How much did he get? He got 138,455 rand for his role in the removal of AKA no Tibbs. So he is a Durban-based businessman who has dealings in the taxi industry. He allegedly was the overall coordinator and paymaster in relation to the removals of AKA no tips. The state alleges that he followed AKA and his entourage in a grey BMW from Durban's King Shaka International Airport on the 10th of February 2023. Cell phone records indicate that he was at the airport when AKA landed, and he also used a cell phone to pay for his parking at the airport. Kwabeni further paid two hired vehicles which were used on the day to follow AKA, a grey VW Polo and a silver Hyundai i10. The state alleges that on the 11th of February, the day after the removals of AKA Notips, he received a lump sum of 800,000 and Jacob Zuma's thoughts, 803,455 rand into his business bank account at about 2 p.m. The payment was made from the business account of Bright Circle, and the Bright Circle is owned by Sydney. Because you know the Tuba brothers, they are notorious in the taxi industry. Nekumbula is the wife, the Zulu brothers, they are the wife in real life. So brothers, my heart. The money was then deposited just minutes after their telephonic conversation ended. Phone records show that at about 6 p.m., several of his co-accused met at his Cowell Hill property west of Durban, where he proceeded to pay Ulindo Guhle Mkhwanazi and the three Dimande brothers, Ulindani Siyabonga Nomalusi, as well as Lindo Guhle Dimande, who is not related to the other three Dimande brothers. These are all the accused. They each received 133,000 rands, and Yena, he kept 138,455 rand, and then he made a lump sum payment of 96,000 to St. Benedict School, which is one of the schools his children attends. All of this information, thank you, I received from Ungwana Wangwatu. Thank you for the information. So this is how the state has pieced everything together, and you guys will be getting an update because, as we all know, that the two Dimande brothers that fled to Swaziland have been extradited back to South Africa, and all the boys are eating Christmas under the jail, but Shabby Sheet is not performing for them. Their case is postponed to Jan, and then Zonipa another update. For now, that is all the crime stories I have for 2025. I will see you guys in 2026. But you can't guarantee me because what if tomorrow buying something I'm a celebrity then it means the story for success. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.